What's up, everyone? So, in case you need the AI that can be your companion or the assistant to do the research, in this video I'm gonna share you how cool this AI. And the AI that I'm gonna talk about is this, the Perplexity AI. You can simply open it. And as always, don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this gonna be the look of the homepage, guys. And for example, you can start to ask your simple request, let's say regarding for the research. For example, this is the question that I would like to ask. Is the workout related to the productivity in the workplace? And even they will give you the kind of the suggestion to ask. And as you can see, the every suggestion over here always related to the research, guys. And if you would like to know the result, you can continue to click generate and kindly wait for the result. And let this AI will give you the the simple research and also the sources that can be also trusted. And as you can see, they will even give you the, let's say, the key finding in the table format. And the answer about my question is this: yes, workouts are positively related to the productivity in the workplace. And this is show you that multiple studies show the exercise can at work boost productivity rather than harming it, guys. And this is the key finding. For example, I'm gonna select this one, the health group. And as you can see, it will direct you into this sources that would be the result or the answer that would support the question about the productivity in the workplace, guys. And it will impact to the productivity boost, efficiency, job satisfaction, and also morning workout advantage, and even the company-wide gains, guys. And how exercise boosts the workplace productivity, you will see that it will create or reducing the better concentration, reducing the stress, improve the sleep, and also enhance the creativity, better workload management, and also improve the mental or interpersonal performance, guys. And every single answer over here always being based from these sources like this, and not only one but a lot of pretty trusted articles that supporting this question or this research, guys. And not only will be cited into this section, but they will give you the complete sources, for example like this, and they will give you the detail like the title and where this source is coming from. And even they will give you the follow-up question like the build productivity versus exercise simulator until the do morning workout impact to the workplace focus more than the lunch one. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this Perplexity AI to help you do your own research or be your research companion and also research assistant. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Perplexity AI. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.